Johnny, how are you today, sir?
Great.
Johnny, I hear you like firefighters.
Yeah.
Their butts drive you nuts? You ever been to Firehouse Subs?
Yes.
When you go, what do you normally get?
A sandwich.
What kind of sandwich, Johnny? With all the Quiznos in the world closing, Firehouse fills the void. Let's do it. Johnny! Always fun riding around with Johnny, man. He just put together a new setup. Now he's using the Hero 8. He like reversed them. Yeah. He used to have the Hero 8 here and a 3 or 4 in his head. Anyway, he figured it all out. I don't have anything to throw at him. I wish he did. Johnny! Flinched. He flinched. Firehouse Subs. I'm excited about this place. I loved Quiznos. Quiznos was my favorite sandwich, and they're just all gone. Every one of them that was around me is now closed. Firehouse, you're all I got left. I mean, I like Jersey Mike's too, but I like Jersey Mike's for something else. They got a really good cheesesteak. That Chipotle cheesesteak they have, you can't mess with that. Seriously. And Jimmy John's, we got Jimmy John's too, but it's pretty basic. And I don't feel like being a basic bitch today. I want some Firehouse. Plus they have firefighter outfits for you to try on. That's my real motivation. I just kind of want to make fun of Johnny today. That one got a little out of hand. Let's give a little love to the Patreons of the channel. You know who you are, and I love each and every one of you. Thank you for your contribution to the channel and allowing me to do what I do. If you'd like to become a Patreon, check out the link in the description of the video or on my website. Isn't that interesting? My gas light's on. We might just run out of gas today. I don't know if you can see it. Allow me to help you. Want to see the kind of asshole that drives a Maserati? That's the kind of asshole that drives a Maserati. I'm just kidding. I'm sure he's a nice guy. Before we get too far along, I want to welcome the new subscribers of the channel. Here on Suburban Delinquent, we have a good time. It's a motorcycle food friend experience. For you guys returning, I missed you. Look at this. Look at this. I just got passed by a Prius. I'm going to pass him back. I mean, that Prius is hauling ass. How fast do these cars go? We're doing over 100 miles an hour right now. Look at him go, man. Hammer down. I bet he's got that thing pinned, dude. Johnny! Pretty good wheelie, Johnny. Alright, I'm going to do something fun for you guys. A little scavenger hunt. So pay attention to where I'm at. Hello, officer. Oh, you're not even a real cop. You're a fake cop. We're going to stop right here. Right here. Right here. Alright. This is where it's going to happen. Johnny, this is where it's going to go down. Right here, alright?
What are we going to do?
This is where I'm going to have to kill you. I brought a little gift for somebody.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Show you what it is. We got a sticker and a key tag.
Oh, wow.
I even brought a plastic bag because I know better. We're going to try to get it in the sign hole. Am I grabbing my brake thinking it's my clutch?
I think so.
Why do I have to be so stupid, Johnny? Hurry up. All right. Yeah. Whoever gets this, I hope you tag me. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Can't wait to see who gets that. All right, Firehouse Subs. Let me tell you a little bit about the place. Yeah? Yeah, it's time. Let's go. Firehouse Subs was founded in 1994 by a couple of firefighters, Robin and Chris Sorensen. Firehouse Subs is known for their toasted sandwiches. Since its inception, they've grown to almost 1,200 stores within the United States. I think they even have one in Ontario and Puerto Rico. They're currently in 46 states. I don't know what states they're not in, but if you have one in your state, you're lucky, man, because these sandwiches are good. I was a huge fan of Quiznos, and I was so sad to see them all closing up. But Firehouse Subs filling in the gap for me. Thank you. If you're lucky enough to have a Firehouse Sub in your community, you'll notice when you walk in, they'll have a huge mural that represents the community that the store's in. So I'll make sure I'll show you what that one looks like. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, if you're into hot sauce, and I know Johnny is, they keep a huge variety of different hot sauces from different companies. So if you want to try some new hot sauces, but you don't want to spend a bunch of money on the samples, go find your nearest Firehouse Subs. They probably have a few dozen choices for you to check out. You gonna try to beat me? Yeah? I don't think you're gonna beat me. You want to bet lunch on it?
No, I'm not that confident.
You're not confident? Your brand new, bigger motored bike isn't gonna beat this old clapped out GSXR? Johnny, caught! I won. All right, Johnny, ready? Let's do it. He's cheating. What are you doing, truck? How do we park? Nowhere to park. Doesn't make me happy. Oh shit, in that dude's car. What are you thinking, dude? Firehouse Subs, what'd you think?
It was awesome, man.
You kind of got off easy. I forgot to make you dress up like a firefighter the whole sandwich.
I put the helmet on at the end.
Yeah, whatever. I got a turkey bacon ranch. You got the club.
Club on the sub.
Both our sandwiches were large. It came out to about 27 bucks for everything that you saw on the table. We drank waters. We didn't get the combo.
28 bucks, 2 sandwiches.
It's hard to justify any $14 sandwich.
Yeah.
Anyway, Firehouse Subs. If you got one in your area, go check it out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. All right, Johnny, you gotta go. I'll see you later. I'm sure we'll have some beers. And thanks for sticking around. If you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. If you haven't yet, please hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you can think of anyone that might be interested in watching these videos, let them know about the channel. Let them know how much fun we're actually having. This dick. You think that guy did that on purpose? On the phone in there yelling, screaming. More love to the Patreons. Thank you guys for your continued support. Check out my website, suburbandelinquent.com. There you'll find links to all the stuff that I use to make these videos. If you haven't yet, check out my dirt bike channel. And let's not forget, support the channel partners. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, consider them first. Later. Bye.